Commonwealth developers, creators of many exclusive projects, now present their latest innovative offering. Relish the melodious singing of early morning birds. Enjoy the gurgling and soothing sounds of flowing water in the backyard. Motivated by nature's harmonious sounds, we present to you a rare offering. CD Diva, a residential complex in Margao, South Goa, based on timeless Spanish architecture. Come, let us show you the exact location of CD Diva in relation to the iconic Fatorda Stadium. Take this internal road from Fatorda and enter the Margao Bypass Highway. At the Housing Board Colony, take a left to CD Diva. This distinguished project comprises 3 Spanish-style residential buildings consisting of a landscaped central area, swimming pool, and a commercial complex facing the road. The safety of the residents is ensured by secured gates and also by having a separate entry for shoppers, which leads to the basement parking. A beautiful water body at the entrance will lift your spirits. Every member of CD Diva will have their own designated parking space in the stilts. Modern elevators will carry you to your cozy homes. Come, let us view a typical 2 BHK apartment. Design excellence makes the living and dining spaces airy and extremely well lit. Space is intelligently used to offer comfort. A balcony makes for a snug place to unwind. The contemporary kitchen is a perfect foil to cook your healthy designer meals. It has a thoughtfully provided service balcony to accommodate a washing machine. The common bathroom has all modern fixtures and fittings. The first bedroom is designed to offer you comfort and convenience. The spacious master bedroom is an aesthetic blend of beauty and utility. It has its own bathroom with high-end fittings and fixtures and a balcony which affords a soothing view of the central landscaped area. Many apartments will get a clear view of the central landscaped area and the swimming pool. This area will consist of a clubhouse, swimming pool, sit-outs, pathways, and separate spaces for children. CD Diva will also offer a clubhouse to match the Spanish architecture. Just behind the clubhouse will be a leisure swimming pool, interconnected to the children's swimming pool. There will be a gymnasium at one end of the clubhouse. The other end will have a leisure sit-out for relaxation. Diva also has thoughtfully designed sand pits and a children's play area. While the kids play, you can spend a refreshing evening under the pergola. The twilight will enhance the elegance of this Spanish beauty. The evenings will animate the commercial complex. CD Diva, classy, stunningly different, a Spanish tribute to modern living.